Hi guys, this is T-Gaza in Roblox Studio. I thought I'd do another quick pre-update on my Guardian Angel Defender plugin. And look at this guys, you can now move it around the screen. And of course I've updated the log and everything else. The log itself is actually more dynamic. If I show you the script very quick, I can show you what I mean by that. Oh, here we go. Now the script is actually in the code itself, which is actually a lot easier for me to actually type into the log window rather than going through the frame, settings frame, where are we? All that business. So I used to go through all this business here, like going through here, going through here, going through there, there, and then updating it as and when I needed to, kind of thing. But now all I have to do is just create another little entry to this table, this update log table, and just add it down the bottom. That's it. Simple. Anyway, I'll show you how far I've come from the last pre-update video. As you can see, we can actually move it now, and the scanning and everything else is still working. Yeah, here we go. And of course now we've got a overlay. I don't know if that was in the other pre-update, which only shows on the location of the object. I may include different things for different areas, like here we've only got for this infect object. This object has harmful scripts inside, so I might say object name infection. I don't know, the description of what, bit more description of what that is, that sort of thing. The settings page you can also move around, but you cannot move the actual main window around. I thought that's quite cool. And if you try to remove all while the settings page is open, you get an alert like that, and that goes for every single one apart from the settings, of course, and the close button. So yeah, this is all the same. And now, instead of actually, beforehand you had to click on one of these options, now you can just close it like that. And of course that's the same with store part, safe part names. Get my teeth in. Anyway, what I've been working on and been having a little bit of trouble with is, if you watch this, you can see exactly what I mean. It sort of misses a few entries once you remove it. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. Oh, and that's another little bug. You see that? It's actually removed the element and it hasn't shifted the other ones up. That's what the trouble I'm having at the moment. But when you restore, close it down and reopen it, it restores it back to how it should be. So, yeah. Like it restored it normally there. I don't know exactly what's going on there. So as soon as I get that sorted out, in fact I'll show you what I mean by that a bit better. I'm going to open up another little example. Let's actually go to the welcome page. This is me just sorting out, trying to work out how the table dot remove function, internal function works, and I haven't used it in that example. Right, let's run the code. There we go. It's just some false objects that I made on the fly. So this is how it should work. There we go. It's removing them, and there's nothing getting removed or anything, missing any elements. I think the problem is where I've got normal the main table in my programming, where it's not exactly updating the table. I'll show you what I mean. Let's go into the code. Like we got here, that's my main table, the results table, and it's been updated by, so we can find it quickly. Yes, a lot of code in there, as you can see. That's container. There's valid container, update display. That's where the problem is. This bit here. That's the number that you can see down there. That's everything that you can see. Just see if we can find out what's going on. So like every time when you remove an element from the actual table, it goes through this function here. Like we've got the mode and everything else. Like we've got add stuff or update. When you the add stuff actually goes when you run a new scan. The update is when you open and close the actual GUI itself. Like we had things in the container quarantine already, so it updates it. So, and then we got the remove and remove all. This is where the bug I think is where it's residing. I don't know what the reason behind it. It's like when you remove an element from the actual table, it doesn't update the results, or it removes one too many. And I think that's the reason why we're getting what we're getting here, like that. And if you look down there, we got the display table and the results table. Because I'm not using the table remove, it's staying at 14, and then when we get the error, it's going down directly down to 1. So I don't know what's going on there. Might be a problem in my coding or whatever. So yeah, so when I get that sorted out, and if you guys know exactly what's going on, if you want, I can actually post this script itself onto maybe Pastebin or something, so you guys can actually have a look through it, all that code. So yeah, anyway, I thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on with my plugin, and I catch you guys later. Together, signing out.